Let's revise the your half yearly paper of SST. Here is the MCQ which carry 20 marks. So let's start. First question: the period of one rotation of the Earth is known as Sunday, Moon Day, Earth Day. None of these. Yes, Kavya. Aditya Biswas.
Ma'am, it's the Earth Day.
Earth Day. Yes. They allow to pass thoughts. What did it means? Yes, Chirag Rawat.
Ma'am, answer is A.
Accepted the Raja was stronger. Yes. Which agency of the government does the job protecting the boundaries of the country and maintaining peaceful relation with other countries? Yes, what is the answer? Yes, Tanish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, both B and C.
Both B and C. Yes, both B and C is the correct answer. What was the term from where the word Jainas came? Avni Agarwal. No, you are not audible, Avni. Aradhya. Aradhya.
Ma'am, Jinnah.
Jina, yes. Jina is the right answer. Next. Which map gives more information? Small scale map, large scale map, ordinary map, none of these. Kanishka Singh.
Ma'am, large scale map.
Large scale map give accurate detailed information. Yes. Which of the two rivers are studied in the Rig Veda? Charvi Jain.
Bees and Sutlesh.
Yas and Satluj. Yes. Who could not participate in the assemblies? Harsh.
Ma'am, all of these.
All of these could not participate in the assemblies at the time. Yes. Why?
Because they are considered as lower caste.
Work. Why did the rulers collect regular taxes? Yes, Adit Goyal. Yes, Adit Goyal.
Excuse me,
Yes.
ma'am, please repeat the question.
Why did the rulers collect regular taxes? Options are for building
Okay, ma'am.
forts, for maintaining big armies, both 1 and 2,
For maintaining big armies.
for maintaining big armies. Anyone else? Aditya Biswas?
Ma'am, it's both A and B.
both A and B, for building huge forts and also for maintaining big armies. Change of seasons occur on Earth due to rotation, revolution, both 1 and 2, or none of these. Prapti Agarwal.
Ma'am, both 1 and 2.
Both 1 and 2. Change of seasons.
Ma'am, for rotation.
Yes, Tanish.
Ma'am, revolution.
Answer is revolution. Yes. Where is beech bark found in? Chirag Rawat.
Ma'am, in.
Maharashtra. Anyone else? Bhuvi Tandon.
Where is beech bark found in Pune?
Charvi.
Kashmir.
Kashmir. It is found in Himalaya, North Himalaya. So Kashmir is located in North Himalaya. Who went door to door to find out whether anybody died there? Options are Kasi Gautami, Rasula, Sita, and Ahilya. Yes, Aradhya.
Ma'am, 11 का part 1 Kisa Gautami.
Yes, Gautami. Yes, thank you. Now next one. What was the state of ambulance for black people in South Africa? Fully occupied, not occupied, both 1 and 2, none of these. Kanishka Singh.
Ma'am, not occupied.
Not occupied. What is the official language of South Africa? Yes, Rian Azhar Khan.
Ma'am, the answer is Zulu.
Zulu, yes. What does the work of measuring land and keeping land record? Doctor, chemist, patwari, all of these. Prapti Agarwal.
Ma'am, option 3 Patwari.
Yes, the answer is patwari. What divides the earth into two equal parts? The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Options are Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Arctic Circle. Anya Pali.
Ma'am, the answer is equator.
Equator, yes. Which divide earth into two equal hemisphere, northern and southern. The local time of 82° half longitude is taken as a standard throughout India. It is known as local time of India, Indian Standard Time, both 1 and 2, and none of these. Bhuvi Tandon.
Indian Standard Time.
IST, yes, Indian Standard Time. For what purpose magnetic compass is used? For measuring distance, for showing symbols, for finding direction, all of these. Harsh.
Ma'am, for finding the direction.
Yes, for finding direction, magnetic compass is used. Who is the head of the Tehsil? Tanishq, district collector, revenue collector, ticket collector, all of these.
Ma'am, the head of the tehsil is option 1, district collector.
Who is the head of the tehsil?
Ma'am, district collector.
Anyone else? Who is the head of tehsil? Charvi Jain?
Revenue collector.
Revenue collector is known as the head of the tehsil. Which longest river flows through Africa? Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile? None of these. Yes, Kavya? Yes, Kanishka?
Ma'am, the Nile.
Yes. Which of the following is the smallest continent? Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Adit Goyal?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, answer is Yash.
Ma'am, the Yamuna.
Beta, I am talking about which following the smallest continent.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Africa.
Australia. Right answer is Australia. And Adit, the right answer of which longest river flows through Africa, that is Nile. Okay. First section is OTBA. Here is a picture. So the above picture is depicting one of the level of the Panchayati Raj, which work at the village level. So name them and define it. Yes, Yash.
Ma'am, the answer is Gram Panchayat.
Okay. Now define what is Gram Panchayat. Harsh. Yes, Harsh.
Ma'am, Gram Panchayat is responsible for the projects. Ma'am, like constructing the buildings or schools.
And their member are elected by the Gram Sabha member. Those are 18 and above voting of that village elect their representative. Yes, the government. Next, who is the head of it? Yes, Aradhya Sembal. Yes, Aradhya. Unmute yourself. Charvi Jain.
Sarpanch is the head of panchayat.
Okay. Write any two work done by it. Riddhima Kapoor. Yes, Riddhima. Kanishka. Two work done by Gram Panchayat.
Yes, ma'am.
Two work done by Gram.
The two works done by the Gram Sabha is they have made schools and roads better, and now the villages are better now than before.
Okay. Now next. Conventional symbol, use the map. Okay. Let's discuss next question. Map labeling. Identify name of Mahajan Pads from the map given below in map 2. So please name this map first. Name of first Mahajan Pad mentioned first over here. Yes, Tanish.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, question number 3 first is Ma'am Avanti.
And the second is
Ma'am Magadha.
Magadha. Now the world map first is Harsh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the third one is Asia.
First,
Mm. Ma'am, Africa.
Africa. Yes, Kavya. Kavya. Second, identify second. Chirag.
Ma'am, South Ocean.
Antarctica. Yes. Now next the case study. So here the question based on case study. Where is Enamgaon situated? Bhumika.
Enamgaon is situated on the banks of River Ghod.
Good. Tributary of Bhima. Yes. How the deaths were buried? Arav Sharma, roll number 5. Yes, Arav, answer this question. How the deads were buried? Yes, Arav, are you giving answer?
No, ma'am.
Aditya Biswas.
Okay, ma'am. How the deads were buried? The deads were buried in the vessels, in a straight position in oval-shaped pits.
With the head pointing toward the north while legs to the south.
South.
Next, Chirag, you will give the answer. The question goes to you. Why were dead buried along with food and water?
Ma'am,
The people also buried vessels with the dead, which are believed to contain food and water for survival of the dead on his journey to the next world. Now come to the section B, subjective. Now define the following terms. Straight. S. Bhubi Tandon. Tanish, define straight.
Yes, ma'am. Narrow passage of water connecting.
You're not
two-
audible.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Please speak little bit louder.
Okay, ma'am. Narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans.
Okay, now next one is Apathya Charvi Jain. Please define Apathya.
separation on people on the basis of race are known as apartheid.
Skin color, on the basis of their skin color means race. Now Bhumika, please define Ahimsa. Not killing and hurting any living organism or any creature of the earth. What is excess? Yes, Yash, excess. Define excess.
An imaginary line on which the earth rotates.
Tehsildar. Bhubi Tandon, please explain Tehsildar.
Person who measures all the measurements of the land.
Aditya Bishwas.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Tehsil. Define Tehsildar.
The head of the tehsil is known as the tehsildar.
Yes. Now complete the statement. Revolution is the dash. Prapti Agarwal.
Revolution is the movement of one object around center or another object.
Upanishad literally mean. Yes. Bhumika.
Ma'am, approaching and sitting near.
Approaching and sitting near. Yes. Very short question answer type question. Who was the last Tirthankara of Jainism? Yes, Tanish.
Ma'am, the last Tirthankara of the Jainas were Lord Mahavira.
Yes, you are not audible. Tanish. Charvi.
Lord Mahavira.
Yes, Lord Mahavira. Name one
Ma'am,
black
I have
township.
doubt.
Charvi, name one black township.
Southwestern Township is the Black Township.
Name in which hemisphere does Australia rise?
Australia.
Yes, Aradhya Sembal.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, Australia.
Hemisphere. It is lies in.
Ma'am, it is lies in Ma'am, wait a moment.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Counties, yes. Who were considered as untouchables in Varna system? Yes, Aradhya symbol.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Untouchable, Shudras, yes. Which domain of the earth those were involved in cleaning skin animal, cleaning the skin of animal or cremation ceremonies, they were known as untouchables, Shudras. So Shudras, the Varnajati, those were considered as the untouchables. Which domain of the earth consists of solid rock? Yes, Charvi. The name the dominant earth consists of solid rock.
The domain of the earth consisting solid rock in the lithosphere.
Lithosphere known as. Which type of government chosen by the people? Chirag.
Ma'am, democracy.
Democracy. In democracy, people choose their representative, and these representatives work on behalf of people.